Good morning, friends. I'm starting my day from feeding the tiger. Hello, hungry tiger. Are you hungry, Speedy? Yes, are you hungry? This is very hungry cat. Speedush, chodź. No chodź. Oh, meow. No. And then I'm having coffee. And with coffee, I'm making plans for all day. If I did make it yesterday. This is my favorite ever coffee, Harrogate. Right. Now we'll make day plan, what I'm doing today later on. Speedy is already outside. She went for a walk. Oopsie. All right, latte. I like latte. And now I would like to show you my and my clients' favorite items. So let's go. This is my latest items. I made a mochi collection. So I have a blueberry mochi. This is cut lemon mochi, very complicated. We have a coffee mochi and a matcha matcha mochi. Matcha mochi? Okay, and the strawberry mochi. So they are very cute. I really like them. They're so simple and very cute. Now we are drawing our collection for clothing collection based on those mochis. So it's gonna be live soon. We are in the process, right? Okay, cuties. Now this is my client's favorite one. This cut is the favorite. And this one is my favorite. This looks so tasty. Of course, how you know I am a big coffee drinker, so this is the best. And then frogs are always popular. Everybody like frogs, so I like frogs. My client like frogs, so they are pretty. And we have a bunny. This one is also quite famous. I call it summer bunny because of the flowers. Then very underrated ladybug. I like it. And what else? This is my recent work. I like it also. This is mochi owl. Not mochi owl. Mochi is not mochi owl. It's matcha owl. All right. And mushroom. That is also everybody's favorite, with me included. We already have a mushroom clothing collection on our website, so you can have a look. Then me little tiger, mini tiger. It's also quite popular. And the cats. Cat, I have a yellow also, and a pink, the same one. Kotek, cat. Bunny, fluffy bunny, fat bunny. pig. It's only one pig I ever made. I'm not sure about this one, but I think it's alright. Then I have also collection of googly eyes items like this cucumber. What else we have here? What else? Apple. Next time I will show you my fruits collection. So I have lemons, I have blueberries. What else do I have? No, cherry I don't have. Oranges, lemons. I already said lemons. Okay, and grubby crabby. Those are red currants. They are also quite nice and easy to, simple to connect. What else? And Totoro. I missed this one. This is also my client favorite cat. I think people love connection with cats and coffee cups. This is actually teacup here, but it's still nice one. I'm thinking to make more of those because they are quite famous. And yeah, this is this collection. I have a more which I'm gonna show you next time. Different designs and ideas. So would be nice if you let me know which one is your favorite from this collection, so maybe I can put more attention and effort to make more or different little bit improvements, changes in the designs. Thank you for watching.